What's up, guys? So I bought some new decals for Project 4-banger. Bought some American flag decals. I had a while back. I had the flags on backwards, and they were just like kind of like a sticker. So I bought some actual decals. So yeah, we're just gonna throw them on there. And I want to let you guys know I made some merchandise. So I got some sweatshirts, some T-shirts. This one says Wrangler on it with the Kyle SVT logo in it. Then I also have one for you Cobra guys that say Kyle SVT and it says Terminator on there. So I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to pick up one of these. So my buddy also made me some Kyle SVT decals with the Jeep logo in them. So if you guys want a sticker, if you guys become a tier 2 member of the channel, I'll send you guys out a free sticker, or a free decal rather. So there's that, and then we're just going to be throwing on the American flag decals. Alright, so here's how they turned out. I think it looks pretty sweet. Yeah, quality is really nice on them, actually. I was kind of impressed. I bought these off of eBay, actually. So I'll leave a link in the description for the eBay link to these if you guys want to pick up a set yourself. So anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a bunch, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.